Dave, Service Manager at TC Harrison Ford in Burton. Today I'm going to show you the process and what to expect when we carry out a video health check on your vehicle. We'll start with the front number plate so you know the vehicle is working on is yours. We'll then show you the Hunter tracking alignment check for exam. First thing we do when we bring your vehicle into the workshop is check all your levels. We'll dip your oil, make sure your oil level's okay. We'll check your brake fluid, we'll check your antifreeze level and the concentration, top up your washers if you're in for a service, and we'll also check your battery, which I'll show you now. Next thing we'll do is check your battery. Connect these leads up, select which battery it is, and it'll tell us whether your battery's good, or if indeed in this case it needs a recharge. The next thing we'll do is check your brakes, whether this be your pads. This is the tool that we'll use to check them. What we do is get the brake pad measuring tool gauge, slip it in until we find the right one, and then what we do for you is compare that to what your brake pad would be like new to give you an idea of how much lining you've got left. Part of the health check will be measuring your brake discs. To do this we do it with this tool here. Put it either side of the brake disc and it gives us the reading. The minimum thickness on these brakes is 22mm. We'll go under the vehicle, we'll check your suspension arms, your drive shafts, any drive shaft gaiters for any damage or leak of grease. We'll then carry on under the vehicle, checking your exhaust for any leaks, if there's any broken hangers, and then come across to your rear axle. At this point, we'll be looking for any damage to your rear suspension springs or shock absorbers. In this case, everything's all okay. So for the final part of the video, we'll finish on your rear number plate. We'll advise you that one of our service advisors will be in contact with you shortly, and we'll thank you for choosing TC Harrison Ford.